Oh, hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This was supposed to be given to me by my assistant, but he saw me holding it already. Might as well unbox it right now. But first, let me just introduce this drone. This drone is from... no name. This is the folding drone. I believe the version of this one is the F11. I'm gonna leave a link down below so you can check it out. But what we have here is basically the next generation drone. It has a double camera feature here. Can you guys see it properly? It's right there. And it also has a optical flow, electric adjustment for the camera, and the gesture photo. Let's stop talking. Well, this is the front of the box. The main highlight of this one is that electronic adjustable camera, switchable optical flow dual camera. This is the side of the box. You can see some of the details there if you want. The remote controller looks like this. And unfortunately, when we got this package, it was already like this. But I hope the drone itself is not damaged. So what are we waiting for? It's time to unbox it. But first, let me introduce you to my new baby. Can you see that? Can you feel that? This is the official TheSilentGhostReaper unboxing knife. Let's dig right into it, guys. Okay. Once you open the box of the drone, it is inside a styrofoam protective casing, some sort. That's it. In the box, let's just put that there. Oh wait, it's upside down. So, when you open it, you will see right away the folding drone. We'll open that later. The included remote control. This version has an extra battery. They have different versions. It's like a Fly More combo. The included accessories. They have extra propellers, USB charging cable, and a Phillips screwdriver. What else are we gonna get? The manual, which we don't really need. Now, for the drone itself, let's see if we can fold it just like that. Ooh, how about that? This drone doesn't look too bad, but just have to make sure you're gonna fold the right propeller. So this is how it looks like when you unfold this F11 drone. I believe this is the diamond cut, and there's a lot of folding drone design that's popping out right now, like this one. So that's the drone itself. Oh, can you guys see the camera? Underneath there's one. I think it's right here. So you can see the bottom view when the drone is moving. And this is the electrical adjustable camera, front facing camera. And the actual remote controller for your drone. I think you have to fold this like that. You can put your phone here. Now, I believe the remote controller, you can recharge this one via the included USB cable. You don't have to replace the battery, just make sure to recharge it. The extra battery, the flight time of each battery is, I think, 15 to 20 minutes. I have to double check on that one. This one you can download their app. I think it's called H1, so you can see what's going on with your drone. Just make sure to download that one before you start using your drone. Power on. Is it blinking? Yes sir, it's blinking. This is not an indoor drone. I just want to make that clear, because the looks of it and the weight of this one, if someone gets hit by this propeller, that's gonna be painful. So keep that in mind. I would suggest for you guys not to fly this indoors. Okay, now turn on. For this one, unfortunately, we were trying to connect this drone to the actual phone, but it says here that it's not connected. You have to make sure that you are connected to the signal of the drone, which is H1, but this one is not basically broadcasting any of those right now, so we have to contact the customer service of this company who sent us this drone to make sure that we just got a defective drone. But since we're here already, I want to show you one of the features. Like, this is the remote control. This is basically the power button. With one press of this one, your drone will fly right away, or it will land. Just remember to use this one. And this one, comment down below if you know what FN means. And on top of that, you can take a picture or a video, whatever you prefer. I wish I can show that to you right now, but since it's not connecting, we have to skip that one for now. But the one thing that I want to show you as well is that if you look at the drone here and you press this button here, you can control. You guys see that? Alright, so with the press of a button, you have a different view of whatever you're shooting. Okay, like I said, this is not a indoor drone, so so there you have it, guys. This is the F11 folding drone. You're gonna see a lot of this drone popping out all of a sudden because this is the, I don't know, the latest generation of the design of the drone. But other than that, hopefully we can figure out what happened to the connection of this one so we can try it outside. But it works fine. Let's just remove this. You can see how about that? That's dangerous. Well, subscribe if you're new to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below what you guys think. They have different versions. I think they have 720, 1080, and 4K. This is the 1080 version. This is the TheSilentGhostReaper. By the way, before I end this video, this drone is supposed to have a gesture feature. That means if you do a hand gesture or whatever, it's supposed to take a picture or follow you. We have to figure that one out first, but I wish I can try it. Not right now, but the flying, it's really amazing. This is the TheSilentGhostReaper, and I'm out. So do you have a problem? Use it. Oh my god.